Proper maintenance is crucial to ensure your vehicle's performance over time, contain running costs, keep safety systems effective, and maintain the warranty issued by FCA on your vehicle valid and active. The maintenance operations carried out more often could be checking and replacing of oil, air and pollen filters, or checking levels and adding liquid to the windshield washer, the cooling system and the brakes. Over time, as the miles add up, the lubricant properties of oil also decrease. Regularly changing it ensures maximum efficiency. To learn all the details on how often the car should be serviced, check your vehicle's programmed maintenance plan found in the Use and Maintenance Manual on board or on the My Jeep website. All the operations to be carried out periodically based on the mileage or the age of your vehicle are listed inside. By using a dealership or an authorised workshop, you can be sure original parts will be used by expert, qualified, specialised technicians. And remember, Mopar Vehicle Protection offers programmed maintenance plans conceived to make sure you get all the maintenance services you need to take care of your vehicle over time and keep it perfectly efficient at all times at a fixed price. Register on My Jeep. You'll be able to configure the maintenance plans available for your vehicle.